Hey, I'm Simon with AirBeam TV, and I'm here in my home office to show you how to mirror your phone screen into Chrome browser so that you can share it in Slack. So let's get into it. So with video conferencing on the rise, there's plenty of times when I want to show my phone screen to the people I'm talking to, but I don't want to have to do this. Can you see this? Thankfully, AirBeam TV has an app for that, which you can download for free and test out for free for 5 minutes to see if it works for you. First things first, we need to install the mirroring app onto our iPhone or iPad. So head into the App Store and search for AirBeam TV, and then you will find Mirror to Mac or Windows PC. Go ahead and download that. As I say, there is a 5-minute free trial, so you can mirror for 5 minutes just to see if it works for you. Once that's installed, let's head over to our computer and ensure that we have Chrome browser installed. If you don't, a simple search or Google will reveal Chrome browser, which is made by Google. So go ahead and install that. Once we know we've got Chrome installed on our computer, we can head back to our phone and open the Mirror Mac PC app for the first time. And we will see it has presented us with a code. Now we'll hop back over to Chrome browser and we will head to start.airbeam.tv, and immediately that code should be displayed in the little box. If it isn't, you can just go ahead and type that into the box in the browser. All we do then is click connect, head back over to our phone where it will say you are connected to the browser on your Mac PC. Let's mirror your screen, and then we go ahead and press start mirroring and start broadcast, and it'll give us a little 3, 2, 1 countdown, and once it's done, voila, my phone is now in my browser. So everything that happens on my phone screen will be seen in my browser. Nice. So now that my phone screen is mirrored into the Chrome browser, I can share that in our video conferencing app of choice, which today is Slack. So if we head over here, you can see some selected beautiful members of the AirBeam team, and I am also on the call. And all I need to do in Slack is head down to this button, click share your screen, and then everybody on the call is going to be able to see everything that I see on my phone screen. So for example, if I wanted to open up an app and we wanted to talk about the user experience of that app with Brian, we could do that. I can also draw on the app, and everyone else on the chat can do the same. So if they wanted to illustrate certain things or point at certain things, you can do that. And of course, we can just chat through the video conferencing app as usual.
Simon, could you just open this picture for me?
Yep, let me tap through on there. It's a great album, to be fair. And that's how easy it is. As ever, if you have any questions, thoughts, or queries, feel free to get in touch with us via Facebook Messenger or email. In the meantime, as ever, happy mirroring.